True luxury is the art of living beautifully. It's in the seamless flow of a meticulously designed space, the feeling of light in a perfectly placed addition, and the quiet confidence of a home built to exacting standards. Fresh Start Designs specializes in crafting these experiences. Whether your project is a transformative renovation or a ground-up new build, we handle every detail with the artistry and precision it deserves. We believe the process should be as beautiful as the result. Our partnerships with leading interior designers and home builders allow us to deliver a completely integrated start-to-finish experience. We also provide on-site project management to ensure your design is brought to life flawlessly, from the first sketch to the final touch. Learn more at freshstartdesignsco.com or call us at 610-624-2164. Revive your home with Fresh Start Designs.